Guys, starting off this vlog today, we are getting in the Chevy Camaro. This is day 4 of Charlotte, North Carolina, and today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be having lunch with some of my friends. And what we might do, my parents don't really like this idea, is go to Dave and Buster's arcade or another arcade just to, hang out and stuff. But the reason my parents don't like it is because it's kind of far away and stuff, but we'll see. So I'll see you in the next clip.
You're going to be a YouTube sensation.
Entering Suarez Bakery to get a donut. Right now going to the mall to buy stuff, and supposedly there's a green Lamborghini which we're going to be checking out. So yeah, on we go. I probably don't have that much footage in this vlog, sadly. I'll try to get as much footage as I can, and I'm filming right now. And I think we're approaching the Lamborghini, and it's a Lamborghini. It's a Lamborghini. Wow.
Take your picture next to it?
Yes, I will. I will. Cool. Tag on the Urban sign at Urban Outfitters. Yay. Standing on it. Oh, there's somebody coming out. I should probably get down. Hashtag savage. Hashtag creepy. Guys, I repeat, we have just gone into the advertising area.
$230.
Wow. Oh.
I personally would do this one.
Yep.
But they have it in this one. Trailblazer one.
Tag buying knives. I'm just kidding. Oh, the machetes are $20. Is that just me or is it cheap?
Cheap.
Yeah. Wow. Pretty cool.
Coming up in 5 minutes. Why aren't people leaving?
I'm recording it live.
We're supposed to get out? Get in the camera. Are we supposed to get out? Yeah, Sonia. There's a fire.
There's a fire?
Why else would it be going on?
We're gonna die. Oh my.
You think your mom's sleeping out? She probably thinks we did it.
I got it all on camera just in case something crazy happened.
We're gonna die.
We're gonna die, guys.
Okay, well, let's find a seat. Don't photobomb it, Bobby.
Hashtag a ton of green shirts after the emergency. And a ton of red shirts, too. Pretty cool. Oh, yeah, we got some Chipotle chips before I have to go. Quite good. Comment down below, guys. What do you think we had to exit for? Because we were about to buy candy, and then they just stopped us. So.
Here, you can go around and then turn back.